Whether you are new to sailing, looking to build your miles, or simply curious if cruising is right for you.
I'm Darren.
I'm Amanda. We've been cruising and teaching aboard Pipolota, a beautiful Balance 526. Yeah, so we've done about 7,000 nautical miles on Pipolota in the past 6 months, actually. We've gone from Grenada to St. Martin to Bermuda, Bermuda to Azores, Azores and into the Med. And we've been taking people along for each leg of the journey. So we've been able to share the experience not only for ocean passages, but we've also done some coastal cruising adventures as well.
We'd like to welcome you to this video series, sharing some of the most frequently asked questions and topics that come up aboard our passages.
We'll be covering topics like the A-frame main sheet system, trimming the sails for optimum performance.
We'll discuss how to identify which sails to use when, and sailing without looking at instruments.
Effective communication.
Night sailing.
Winch etiquette.
Raising head sails.
And more.
There is nothing that can replace learning the skills needed to sail a catamaran in person, out here on the water. But we hope these videos give you a glimpse into the world of sailing and cruising.